Hi, I'm Jessie Keith from Sungrow Horticulture. For high-performing potted plants, hanging baskets, or window boxes, try OMRI listed Black Gold Cocoblend potting mix, the natural and organic choice for indoor or outdoor growing. This quality potting mix contains coconut coir, an organic rich ingredient that imparts superior drainage and water-holding ability to help plants perform better during hot, dry periods. It's also approved for organic gardening, making it perfect for growing potted herbs and vegetables. Black Gold Coconut Blend Potting Mix contains the best Canadian sphagnum peat moss, coconut coir, perlite, and nutrient-rich earthworm castings to promote good growth in potted plants. It also contains Resilience, our silicon-enriched additive for enhanced plant growth, flowering, and improved resistance to wilting. Black Gold Coconut Blend Potting Mix is available at top garden centers and hardware stores nationwide. Visit blackgold.bz to learn more and discover expert how-to gardening videos, articles, and exciting monthly garden giveaways. We also offer free horticultural advice through our Ask a Garden Expert support service and $3 rebate coupons to help you save on your next Black Gold purchase to create more beautiful, vigorous, cost-saving gardens.